welcome to all of you. In the Wazwan series, today I'll be showing you how Tabakh Maaz is cooked in Wazwan. Tabakh Maaz is a starter dish in Kashmiri cuisine Wazwan. These are crisp fried on surface and soft and juicy inside. These are the slow cooked ribs in broth or stock with some mild spice and then fried off in ghee. Today I'll be showing you how Tabakh Maaz is made in Wazwan by Wazas or the chefs. So let's get started. They start off with taking a big chunks of ribs and put it in the boiling water and remove the scum, and they boil it for some time. Then they remove it from boiling water and wash it in cold water. Then it's cut into small rib pieces around 4 to 5 inch long size. Here you can see how they are cut after boiling. So these are the rib cuts for Tabakh Maaz. Now again in a vessel they have taken around water and added turmeric to it, and then they will be adding ribs. And then they will be adding 10 to 12 green cardamoms, 1 stick of cinnamon, black cardamom pods. They remove the skin of the black cardamom. 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds, salt around 2 teaspoons. Then they will cook it till it's tender. It takes around 30 to 45 minutes on fire to cook. After around 30 to 45 minutes, they will check if it's tender. So they will try to remove the upper layer. You can see it comes off easily like this. If you are cooking at home, you can just cook it up to 2 to 3 whistles in a cooker. Now they will take enormous amount of ghee, heat it up, and then add ribs and fry till they are deep fried on all sides. Keep checking in between so that they are not overdone. When ribs are fried like this, then they will take them off the flame. Here the crisp fried Tabakh Maaz is ready. It's part of the starter in Wazwan. It's served on the platter. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day. You can check out my Urdu channel also. I'll be leaving a link in description box. Do subscribe.